Those who enter with business invitations or business tickets can stay throughout the day, but it is a single entry validity. If the person leaves the airside area and moves out of the exit gates, then he cannot enter with the same invite or ticket. That becomes invalid. But as long as he is inside the area, he is most welcome to stay as long as he wants to stay. Within these timings, of course. On the 2 public days, we have 2 sessions each. That is from 10 a.m. to 1:30 and 2 to 5 o'clock. This gap between 1:30 and 2 is so that people can start moving out and the fresh next session people can come in. The tickets have different color codes for each of these sessions. That is, the 4 sessions which will happen on the 2 public days will have different color codes for ease of recognition, both by individuals and by the security at the gate. Some people have an expectation that because they are buying a ticket worth 500 rupees, they will have access to enter an aircraft. Please make it absolutely clear to everybody that everybody would be stationed behind a barricade. Once we move on to the airside, you'll see how the barricading is located. All the aircraft which are in the static display area would be within this barricade, and nobody will be permitted to cross the barricade unless they have an invitation from the person who has put up that aircraft there. So please make this thing amply clear in whatever communication you bring out, and you know best how to convey this to the masses at large. Why I am saying this is, during the first air show, as organizers, it was our first time event. We did not know or anticipate the kinds of crowds which came in, and finally the entire city was gridlocked. Last time we had a much happier situation thanks to the police. They visualized things and brought in certain aspects. As a result, we were better poised to tackle the situation. Another important point which I was coming to a little while later is, on the business days, children are not permitted. When I say children, anybody below the age of 18 years. Irrespective whether somebody wants to buy a ticket for 500 rupees or somebody comes with an invitation, if they are accompanied by children, CISF will just not permit them to enter the area. So please bring this also out in your communication loud and clear. Children are only permitted on the last 2 days, and there are no exceptions. Irrespective whether it is a baby in arms or it is a small child or an adult, everybody has to have either a ticket or an invitation.